MongoDB is a NoSQL database, one of the most widely used document-oriented database in the world. Before we dive into what makes MongoDB useful today, let's go back to where it started. Three veterans from the advertising company DoubleClick created MongoDB in 2007. They quickly learned the limitation of relational databases when scaling the company to serve more than 400,000 ads per second. So they built something new, a database that stores data in JSON-like documents. MongoDB uses documents instead of rows, grouped in collections. They are flexible and easy to query. You don't need to define a strict schema from the start. You can change your data as your app grows without running migrations. And because related data is stored together, reads are much faster since no joins are needed. It's like getting a fully built Lego set instead of piecing it together every time. MongoDB was designed to scale horizontally using a method called sharding, where data is split across multiple servers. This lets your data grow across many machines without breaking your app or slowing things down. When you insert a document into a Mongo collection, you don't need a strict format. It's flexible. Each document can have different fields, and MongoDB automatically detects the data types like strings, number, list, or nested object. It also adds a unique ID to every document called an object ID. You interact with the data using a simple query language. With find, you can retrieve documents. And with just a few commands, you can also update or delete them. Even though MongoDB doesn't require a schema, you can add one using validation rules to keep your data clean and consistent. Here is a simple rule for our devices collection. Now, MongoDB will reject any document that's missing one of those fields or has the wrong type. Once your data is structured, you can use aggregation pipelines to filter, group, or calculate with it, kind of like building a report inside a database. Think of preparing a dish. You chop the vegetables, then mix them with spices, and finally cook everything together. Each step transforms the ingredients closer to the final meal. To make things faster, MongoDB uses an index to help you find the information you need without scanning every document in a collection. Imagine you are using a recipe book. If you are searching for a specific recipe, like chicken Alfredo, you don't flip through every page. Instead, you go to the index at the back, look under C, and find the exact page number. MongoDB is free to use, locally or in the cloud, but you don't have to manage everything from the terminal. You can also use visual tools to make everything easier. Mongo Compass is the official visual tool. It helps you explore collections, run queries, and edit documents, all with a clean user interface. It's perfect if you're just starting out. Mongo Atlas lets you run databases in the cloud, no installation needed. You get a web dashboard to manage users, collections, and monitor your data from anywhere. DbSchema, a database design and management tool. It helps you work visually with MongoDB. You can design your collections as diagrams, create validation rules without writing code, and even generate interactive documentation. This was a quick look at how MongoDB works, from flexible data to visual tools. Now it's up to you how you want to start. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.